Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets again closing green this week with Nifty leading as compared to Bank Nifty. But what can we expect for the next week, right? So first of all, if you see, Bank Nifty has been making two consistent candles and has been showing a lot of bullish momentum and now is near this trend line, right? On the weekly charts. In Nifty also, if you see, is near this trend line, which was previously acting as a support, now could act as a resistance. So looks like this week we could see a little bit of pause in the start of the week, and near the second half of the week is where we could again see markets moving up, starting to continue their rally, right? In the daily charts also, if you see, I'm just going to show you guys, just give me a sec. Yeah, in the daily charts also, if you see, Bank Nifty has exactly taken resistance from this trend line on Thursday. And now what could happen is that Bank Nifty, what could happen is that Bank Nifty should wait a little bit more time over here before breaking this trend line again, because what has happened is that Bank Nifty has been continuously moving up, right? So there aren't any new buyers in the market. When will the new buyers come in? Is that when we'll take a pullback, then the new buyers will start coming into the game. And why is that important? Is that now if we start moving up from here, what will happen is that the existing buyers would want to exit their position, right? So which could lead to a lot of volatility, right? So if we start moving up right from over here, then things could be very volatile and we could not get very good trades, right? So over here, what should ideally happen is that Bank Nifty should go down a little bit, kind of stay in this range for maybe 2, 3, 4 days, and then start moving up again from here, right? That should be that is how we will get a very good trade, right? Now that's for Bank Nifty. In Nifty, if you see, Nifty has also been moving a lot over here. So Nifty also should kind of wait a little bit more, although it looks like Nifty has a little bit more space on the upside. But still, if Nifty waits over here and then moves up, we could see a very, very good momentum till even 18,000 levels, right? Now talking about Bank Nifty in the 15-minute chart, where can you take a trade on Monday? So very simple, just give me a sec. Yeah, as soon as we go below 40,940 over here, you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your target should be on the downside till 40,700 and 40,600, because this is the range where Bank Nifty was previously taking kind of taking some sort of a consolidation and then it broke out. So over here is where your target should be, right? What I'm expecting is that Bank Nifty will come down till 40,700, 600, then kind of stay in this range itself for maybe, as I said, 2, 3, or 4 days, and then start moving up again, right? So tomorrow, very simple, we could see a very, very good, if you open flat and start crossing 40,940, do not hesitate to sell over here. But this is just for the short term, right? Remember that the general trend is bullish only. So we are only selling of in the short term. We are only keeping a bearish view for a very short term and just for a pullback, right? Once this pullback is over, we will again go back to our bullish view, right? Anyways, on the upside, you can go ahead and buy above 41,270, but keep your quantity low, right? Maybe we could see a little bit more little bit more push till 41,500, and then maybe Bank Nifty could, kind of consolidate on these higher levels between 41,000 and 41,500, right? So if we go above 14,270, you guys can go ahead and buy, but keep your quantity low, because because the market is already stretched, right? On the buying side, we need a pullback. Once we get that pullback, then we go ahead and buy in the full quantity, right? If we open with any sort of a big gap up somewhere near above 41,300 itself, and you do not get a pullback, just do not trade. It's all right. We will trade afterwards. We will get many more trades, right? Then what could happen is that Bank Nifty could go up till 41,500 and then maybe take resistance and then start coming down, right? So if we open with a very big gap up above this day's high, it's all right. Do not trade. We will get more trades on the upside, right? Again, on the downside, even if you open with a gap down, it's okay. You guys can still go ahead and take a trade once we cross 41,820, and then your target should be 41,600 on the downside, right? Anyways, that's for Bank Nifty. Now talking about Nifty over here, Nifty looks very bullish, right? And in Nifty, we will only sell below 17,500, Why is it so? Is there are two reasons, right? Now, if you would sell over here, right, 17,552, there is a support at 17,520 because this is from where the buying started. So the buyers are over here, and this because of which you will not get a big target, right? And so it really does not makes any sense to take a trade over here. So what we could, it is better to wait till 17,500 is broken. Once 17,500 is broken, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your target should be 17,430 to 440 on the downside, and after that maybe Nifty could again start continuing its up move right from there. Again, on the upside, if Nifty breaks 17,635, as I said, take trades, but take it in low quantity because in on the buying side we are already stretched, so it really does not make any sense to go ahead and buy. If you open with any sort of a gap up, it's okay, just leave your trade. We will get many more trades in the future, as I say, right? Do not go ahead and take a trade in FOMO because that will very well lead in losses most of the times, right? So anyways guys, as I said, the in the first half of this week we could see a pullback, and in the second half of the week, probably near the end, is where we could again see bulls taking over the market, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked my analysis, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.